our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna open this gift that my mom bought me in the mall.
Okay,
Let's open.
so today we're gonna be unboxing our gifts that our mom bought us in the mall. So we had gone to the mall today and our mom got us these gifts in Hamleys. So now we're gonna be opening it. So let's get started. Wait.
Dika! What's this?
Can't look back, can't run from what I feel inside. There's no more.
Take the cover now. Like a blue marker.
Okay. Okay, fine.
These are markers that given in the gift, given in the box.
That was the given.
And that's it.
That's it.
Okay. These are the challenges they given in the
Do it in order, okay?
This is the ladder challenge that's been given. And these are the challenges.
Okay.
Oh, my favorite! That's it. These are the challenges they've given. This is the clock and this is the marker. This is the five.
Tomato.
You can say it.
We're gonna keep it in.
Yeah.
My mother bought me this Skillmatics Guess in 10 Disney Edition gift. Okay, let me open it first.
Open chestunadi.
Okay, this ad. So let's open it. These are all the cards and clue cards. These are the instructions. This is how we are supposed to play. We'll get 52 cards. 52 cards. We have all the Disney characters over here from different Disney movies. We have Moana. Olaf, have a look.
Who's Adika?
Olaf. Okay, and we also have 3 clue cards. How many do we have? Oh, we have 6 clue cards. Yeah.
What's this more? Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Hi guys, not చెప్తున్నాను.
3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Back to our channel.
Today we're gonna open this box.
What is that box?
This is a gift that we're gonna open. We're surprise you. We're gonna surprise you today.
రే నువ్వు అంతా చెప్పు మాల్లో మా అమ్మ కొనిచ్చింది అవన్నీ చెప్పాలి క్లియర్ గా ఉండేట మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చెప్పు నువ్వు ఒకదాన్ని
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna open this gift that my mom
ఏం టైమింగ్ ఆడ హెయిర్ చుట్టా ఉండు మళ్ళీ వెయిట్
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna open this box. My mom bought me this in the box.
బయట
Bought me, okay? Bought.
అదే తీర్కా చెప్తున్నావు.
గిఫ్ట్ ఇచ్చింది నీకు
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today my mom
అట్లా లేజీగా చెప్పాలి.
లేజీగా కదా నువ్వు యాక్టివ్గా స్లోగా చెప్పాలి గడగడ గడగడ చెప్పకూడదు
చెప్తా.
2, 1, go. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we're gonna open this gift. My mom bought me.
బయట
2, 1, go. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
చెప్పురా
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
నువ్వు కూడా చెప్పావు వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ అని
2, 1.
వచ్చేసిందమ్మా. నీకు బ్లూ మార్కర్
హ్యాపీ ఇది ఫైల్ లాగా నువ్వు చేసినవన్నీ జాగ్రత్త పెట్టు, ఇది చింపద్దు.
So we'll get 2 markers. Yeah, markers. These are markers.
వాడు చెప్తాడు అంటలేడట.
Okay.
నువ్వే చెప్పురా.
Okay, fine.
These are markers that given in the gift. It's nice, right?
దాన్ని ఏమంటారు అసలు? ఏందా గిఫ్ట్ అని చెప్తున్నావా హ్యాపీ నువ్వు?
These are markers. This is the file that says.
That's a certificate. Certificate.
All of these. That's it.
Okay.
How many that's it?
Wait.
What is this, Happy?
Oh, wait.
Papa, two. Okay. These are the challenges they given in the box.
Oh my god. How many challenges you have?
Million challenges.
Ladder.
Alright.
These are
the challenges. These are the challenges.
Okay.
Oh, my favorite.
Hey, snake and ladders.
No.
Can you go?
Huh?
These are the.
చెప్పేసేయండి.
Thank you.
Wait.
Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.
Wait.
I'm paused. This mouth is.
హ్యాపీ రెడీ చెప్పు.
3, 2, 1, go.
Thanks for watching. Take
Take
care.
care. Bye bye.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి, ఇద్దరు కలిసి చెప్పండి మంచి.
3, 2, 1, go.
Take care.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Thank you for watching.
Take.
ఉండరా వాడు కూడా చెప్పని.
Thank you for watching.
ఉండి ఇద్దరు కలిసి చెప్పాలి.
1.
Go.
Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Not the
ఒరే ఇట్లా అనురా. ఇప్పుడు కాదు, దాని తర్వాత చెప్పిన వెంటనే మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి. హ్యాపీ చూడు, చెప్పిన వెంటనే నువ్వు చెప్పాలి ఇట్లా ఇట్లా ఇట్లా. రెడీ.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.